Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about TypedArray.indexOf method. So, what we're gonna do is create a typed array, name it as uint8 as usual for creating typed array. Now, what we're gonna do, use the constructor method to create the uint8 array. Now after that, pass an array of numbers. Like if you want, you can do strings too, but for that I'm gonna use the numbers. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So after that, when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the uint8 method and type the method index of, and the things we're gonna pass, we are gonna get the index of it. So if we pass, like here it's 50, it's gonna give you 4 because it's in the fourth, like how we count the first one as 0, so the fifth one as 4. So this is what it does. And if we do like I want to do something like the more than 2 parameters, so what we're gonna do is 20 comma 3. It's gonna say that how much away from that index, so is that in that index or not. So it's not in 3, it's in the 1, so it's gonna say -1. And same also goes to if we pass which is not specified yet, so it's gonna say -1. So this is what it does. If it doesn't contain that, it's gonna say -1. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.